Okay, so welcome to the video. I'm back here in Beijing and this third kind of installment of this mini series I've been doing. So I showed in some other videos before here what I do for my legs and my abs and also shoulders and chest, but today is the last part, so that's basically back and biceps. So I'm gonna do a bit of a weighted pull-up here. Actually, I brought my vest here, so I'm gonna put on some weights, then of course do some biceps curls and some back pulls. So keeping it quite simple. And actually today I'm not fasted like yesterday, so I did some protein oats before this, basically mixing in oats with some protein powder and some chia seeds and pumpkin seeds. And after this I'm probably gonna go for like a walk, 1.5 hours, so a lot of good energy. But I've been doing exercise now like 3 days in a row, so actually tomorrow I'm probably gonna take a day off, kind of a rest day, maybe just take a walk, but feeling pretty good. So yeah, I'm just going to show what I'm doing, and now it's been 3 videos in a row on this theme, so I'm probably going to change it up a bit after this, but let me know if it's interesting. Otherwise, let's get started. Okay, so here we have, of course, the pull-up bar, and you can do, normal pull-ups here, no problem. And actually, if you can't do that, you can do the assisted one to get up the basic strength. But what I'm going to do is to use a bit of a weight here, put this on for extra weight. So you can buy this online, very easy. So I'm going to put on 10 kilos here. I can actually probably do 15 or 20, but I want to try with this as a start. And then when you push yourself more, you can grow. So let's see how this goes. I'm gonna try to do 8. Let's see how this goes. Actually only getting 4 there, but let's see, maybe I reduce it to 5. It's good to just try to push yourself a bit. Almost 2 years ago, just when I started this kind of fitness journey, I made a video in Hong Kong next to the water where I was kind of doing this. So kind of give me some flashbacks to that, but you gotta get stronger every year. So let's see how this goes. And of course, if you can't do these ones, you can start practicing with these kind of more supporting ones you have in some gym, and to sort of take some weight off. But yeah, we gotta start and let's see. Whew. Yeah, that definitely gets the blood pumping. So great exercise to push your back a bit. Now let's see what's up next. Okay, so next up we're gonna do some biceps curls. And normally actually I like to kind of do it and look myself in the mirror so you can make sure you do right form, but I'll start like this to show you and then maybe I change up the angle. So let's see, let's do 18 kilos. Can probably go up to higher than that, but let's start with this here. I even dropped my mic here on the floor. Yeah, I think it's good if you can go like 8 or 12 reps times 3 or 4 sets. So maybe I'm gonna reduce it a little bit, change up the angle so you can see. Ooh. Yeah, definitely feels good, but should probably have a little bit more time before breakfast and getting the exercise in. So my goal, I think, is getting up to maybe 25 kilos this year, 3 times 8. Now it's only like 18 this morning, or I could do 20. I think I've pushed myself. But let's move on and let's do the rows. Okay, so here's another favorite here. We have the back rows. You gotta make sure your form is right, but once again, I'm not a professional, so check out other ones if you have advice on that specifically. So what I'm gonna do now is to do this kind of movement here to get your sort of back, this part activated. And I'm gonna do a 35 kilos weight, but of course you can start lower, and those are machines you can do for this, but I like this one. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so 8 with 35 kilos, and of course you do it the other side as well, but I'm not going to show you because you won't see much. So that's another favorite of mine. Once again, you can do it on machines and so on as well, but here you really isolate one side at a time, so I think that's really great. Let's move on. So this one actually is a classic, but I haven't really been doing it this much. This really isolates your biceps, so it's great, but I must say I'm a bit of a rookie when it comes to this one, normally the barbells, but it's really good. So let's see what I can do here. I only put in 10 kilograms on each side. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so I'm only getting 7 there, 10 kilos each side, so 20. I don't know if the bar is 5 or something, 25, not much. So quite basic, but you know, gets your pulse up, and I think hopefully gives you results. So I think I'm gonna stop there for today actually. Once again, very basic, but I think if you just get these kind of core ones right with the right form, that can give you fantastic results. Hopefully give the motivation as you progress in the weights. So let me know if you have questions or comments, want to see more of this or less of it, then I'm just gonna go back to cooking and eating food. But otherwise, let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.